Good morning, everyone. We are Group 6 and we will be performing experiment number 2, which is the density test and compression test on wood specimen, COCO lumber, mahogany, and GMELINA species. For the objective, it is to determine the density and compressive strength of wood specimen and to evaluate the conformance of the wood specimens to the established standard specifications.
For the materials and laboratory equipment, we have the 3 wood samples, the mahogany, lumber, and the GMELINA. And we have the wood saw and the vernier caliper, and using our universal testing machine over there.
We will now cut the specimens into 38 centimeters each.
Next is to measure and record the length, width, and height of the specimens.
We will now weigh each wood specimen.
Place the specimens in the universal testing machine and ensure proper placement and alignment. Begin the compression test and record the maximum load and repeat for all the wood specimens.
The experiment aimed to measure the compressive strength of 3 wood specimens and to determine if they meet the criteria set by DPWH and ASTM standards. Among the samples, GMELINA recorded the lowest compressive strength at 18.99 MPa, followed by mahogany at 35.16 and COCO lumber at 20.58 MPa. Based on the DPWH standard, the required compressive strength values were for COCO lumber 46.14, mahogany 49.68 MPa, and GMELINA 57.10 MPa. None of the specimens met the requirement for compressive strength, with GMELINA failing significantly. From a materials engineer's perspective, this failure to meet the standard would warrant rejection of the wood batch to ensure safety and quality in construction. Variables such as moisture content, grain orientation, and natural wood defects like knots or cracks may have contributed to the reduced strength of the specimens. These factors are critical in determining the unsuitability of wood for construction use. The experiment adhered to proper testing procedures following ASTM D198-22A for compression testing. Ultimately, the results underline the importance of verifying material properties before using them in structural applications, as none of the tested wood met the required strength standards.